Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you this easy, fail-proof, super stable buttercream recipe. Okay, so let's start. We'll be needing 150 grams of fat, which I divided into 75 grams vegetable shortening and 75 grams margarine. You can also use butter, but I'm going to be using margarine. I've zoomed in the measuring scale so that you're going to see exactly what I am doing. Okay, so I'll be adding 500 grams of icing sugar to this. If you are in Nigeria, guess the brand of icing sugar I'm using in the comment section, okay? Now that we are done measuring, it's time to mix. So I didn't bother sieving the icing sugar because it's not necessary. Everything will come together nicely without lumps, so I don't bother. Guys, this is the buttercream recipe that I use to decorate mostly all my buttercream cakes. It doesn't fail, it's stable, it's firm, it doesn't disappoint. Okay, so this is not something that you say you are experimenting with. It's fail proof, I can assure you that. Okay, so while mixing, you have to turn off your mixer and mix everything together with a spatula, and then continue mixing. You're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of water to it. Now if you're using all butter or all margarine, the amount of water might vary, and also depending on the kind of shortening that you're using, some are harder than others, so you want to be adding the water bit by bit to make sure that you get the right consistency. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of butterscotch flavor. That's what I used here. You can use vanilla, you can use any flavor of your choice. I just use butterscotch because I love it, and also it's clear. It won't really tamper with the color of the buttercream. Now I mostly use half shortening because I want the buttercream to be lighter in color. So just in case you're wondering why I'm using shortening, I just prefer it to be lighter in color instead of using all margarine. You know, margarine is very yellowish, so I add the shortening to it to lighten it a bit. And if you're going for an all white buttercream, you can replace the margarine in this recipe and use all shortening. Your buttercream will still turn out okay. You just have to add about half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of salt to help it taste better. Okay, here are some buttercream cakes that I decorated using this recipe. Okay, so you know that we are not playing here. So I would like to add that I usually use 2 types of buttercream whenever I'm decorating a buttercream cake. This buttercream, and then another one that I use for the filling, that one is creamier. So do well to subscribe to my channel so you will know when I drop that video. When you're done mixing your buttercream, you want to use your spatula and mix it very well to reduce the air pockets, and your buttercream should be gliding like this. If not, add half a tablespoon of water gradually till you get this consistency. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.